pain in her feet and legs vanished. And even better, suddenly losing 56 pounds of deadly belly fat. Going from this to a slim and sexy 160 pounds, saving her from the fatal effects of heart disease and restoring the youthful energy, sex drive, and vigor that was believed to be lost forever, leaving Dr. Grayson speechless and every diabetic desperate to know her secret. Best of all, she was able to do it without restricting her diet, without any pricey or dangerous supplements, without a single second of exercise or special equipment, without popping a single tablet or pill, or stabbing herself with another insulin needle. Instead, all she did was a simple and easy 60-second habit twice a day, a 100% safe and natural ritual using inexpensive and easily found ingredients picked up from our local grocery store. The near miraculous type 2 diabetes reversing habit I stumbled on that literally saved my wife's life and gave her back her lean, sexy, and pain-free body is something too important to hide, and until now has been the problem. This simple 60-second habit has been right under our noses as it has been kept from us by the folks we trust to make us better. But not anymore, because in the next 3.5 minutes, I'm going to share with you why everything you thought you knew about diabetes, how to treat it, is flat out wrong. You are going to be filled with disgust when you hear a big pharma insider break his code of silence and reveal the 3 biggest diabetes lies touted by doctors around the world. I will reveal the identity of the deadly toxin, the real cause of type 2 diabetes, and the clinically proven ancient 60-second habit that you can do tonight to flush this toxin out, which will, while you're sleeping, start normalizing your blood sugar, reversing your diabetes, slashing your risk of heart attack, amputation, blindness, and burning away stubborn fat. Plus, all the peer-reviewed studies that prove how this works. I'll even share with you the little-known warning signs which show a diabetic coma is imminent, something I'd wish I'd known before that night with Kathy. The truth is, you and your doctor simply do not know about this simple, all-natural, and unconventional breakthrough. This incredible twice-daily 60-second habit is so effective that in just over 3 weeks has reversed the type 2 diabetes in 33,405 people, and this number is steadily increasing. Meaning, every day, my inbox is full of new success stories from people who have had amazing results. And just as I can promise the sun will rise tomorrow morning, so can I promise this will work for you too. Whether you're male or female, 18 or 80 years old, whether you've tried every single diet, medication, and treatment out there, if you're already diabetic, pre-diabetic, and have been 10 minutes or 10 years or just worried about your increasing waist size and uncontrolled blood sugar, and want to effortlessly lose weight and take back control over your health, you may be feeling skeptical, but listen carefully. Put your phone on silent and take detailed notes, as I promise you that this can be a reality for you very soon. But before I reveal any more, it's absolutely crucial that you keep watching until the very end, while you still have the chance, because I honestly don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to keep this presentation online. In the US alone, Americans pay an average of $327 billion, that's billion with a B, each year for diabetes medication, insulin, and care. And Big Pharma are scared because what I'm about to reveal could destroy their business model overnight. The very same cash cow that will never reverse your diabetes, but keep you as a customer for life. The last thing they want is for you to see what I'm about to show you. This information could save your life or the life of someone you love. So listen up, because we don't have much time. Today, I'm offering you the chance to reverse your diabetes, to never worry about slipping into a fatal coma, or diabetic complications like amputations, vision loss, hypertension, to never worry about being a burden to your family financially, physically, or emotionally, to never worry about your ever-expanding waistline, or what your partner really thinks about it but is too scared to tell you. You'll never again worry about insulin shots, medications, or whether you took your meds or if you took too much, to be free of the guilt